300W high-power motor and high-frequency vibration up to 33,000 cycle per minute, beating out the deep dust and bacteria, then 3 rows of S-type brush thorough clean them all. Patent grill without rolled sheets and bedding. Centrifugal cyclone filtration system help to effectively capture tiny debris on the fabric surface, ensuring that the discharged air contains no allergens. High-efficiency particulate air. 20 cm length, high power, 253.7 nanometers UV sterilization lamp. Intelligent electronic control induction to prevent UV leakage. Automatic protection over 2 inches surface. 6-stage filtration system. HEPA filter sicken 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns to releases the fresh air. 14.7 feet long cord for added cleaning reach and 4.1 pounds ease of use. 400 milliliters large dustbin for holding more dust. The best gift for Christmas Day.